crafty friends. We're here in the Spellbinders studios. I'm Kim with
Josie?
Yay. We have that time just perfectly.
I know, right?
So we are here, of course, because it is the first of the month. It is March, and we are here to do our March club reveal.
I know. We have some good stuff to show you. So, should I tell you the name of the collection? The name?
What is it?
It's Everyday Legends.
Ooh.
So, I don't know if that gives a little bit away that there's something for everybody in your family in this box.
Yes, let's dive right
I'm just
in.
going to dive right in.
As Josie grabs this box out, I'll just remind you that what you're seeing now is going to be the All Clubs crate. But of course, as we go through, you can subscribe to any of these individual subscriptions, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, whatever you want. Or if you want to subscribe to them all, you're going to get what we are showing here, the All Clubs crate, where you get everything in one box.
And we're going to start with the large die.
Let's do it.
So, the large die is called Classic Kicks. And if you guys have been a club member for a while, we've done some other types of shoes.
Oh, that's
Flowers. We've
like a
done
year ago.
Yeah, we've done
Mhm.
a few different ones, but we've never done a sneaker. And I thought, what a great time to do a sneaker.
So cute.
So
Flowers.
and it comes with a couple different themes. I know you guys are going hot dog and hot roast and beer and a shoe. But again, you can do a masculine card or you could do a feminine card.
So fun. And of
Yeah.
course, it is the March Club. So as we kind of get closer to, what people would create cards for Mother's Day, Father's Day, but also everyday occasions,
Yeah.
not just for those in particular, but I can just, like this even says, for your beautiful friend, just for any time.
And we're giving a little
Well
bit of a
done.
sneak peek to the 3D folder, which we'll go over. And this is the extra, the
Ooh, the little bonus.
bonus. Yeah.
So cute. So I'm so happy that you finally came out with one of our fun little sneakers. So awesome.
And
Large die.
the
Perfect.
small die is called Unstoppable. And it is, a fierce woman that can do anything. And we don't have anything like this.
Unstoppable.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
Athletic.
her little legs. I don't know if we can get that, but her little legs dance. But again, this is for all those ladies in your life that can handle the world and carry the world on their shoulders.
Moms, sisters,
Everybody.
friends,
Everybody.
daughters. Oh, I love that so much.
Yeah, and the sentiments are great
So
too
cute.
to support this. There are sentiments in the set
Yep.
that die cut. There's 4 of them. And then
And even you're not seeing on this cloud, the clouds you're not seeing on this card. We'll probably see it later.
Yeah,
but,
we will see it
So many different pieces in here. Love it.
and she also has a little crown. And
Oh.
you'll see that later.
Okay, small die. Very cool.
All right, the next one is Everyday MVP, and this is a stitch die, and we did a baseball hat.
Gosh, I have to say, I absolutely love this one. We almost wore a cap for our little video here. We're like, well, we don't have any really cute ones here, but these are cute.
Yeah, and again, this has a lot of different sentiments that you could make for the patch on the hat.
Oh, yeah. One,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. Cool.
Then if you just change the color, you can make a feminine card with this very easily. And I put on here boss for, that girl boss. And this one's not stitched. So again,
Oh,
this
yeah,
looks great
what's the difference?
stitched and not stitched. So
Oh, good.
either way.
Either way, I
So
love
have
it.
fun. Like you could use this for your kids' schools. You could use this for
Mhm.
your significant other's favorite team. You can use it for all sorts of things.
So great. And I have to say, I feel like I've seen more of the ladies wearing the caps than even the guys.
Oh my God, my friend Bess does not leave the house without a cap on.
That is fantastic.
I mean,
Okay.
it was a little bit of the inspiration for this.
Oh, that's so
Little
cute.
baseball. She's always wearing a baseball cap. And then
All right, so that was Stitch Die.
the next thing we have is a 3D folder, and this is called Urban Grid. And you guys, this came out way better than I ever even imagined. It's this map. It's this 3D. There you can really see it there.
Ooh, gorgeous.
Yeah, so it's no particular city. It's a generic city, but it creates this great relief map, almost like remember the old globes?
Oh,
Where they have
yeah.
relief.
Oh,
Kind of
cool.
has that feel to it.
And so perfect for like roaming around. Like I
Yeah.
can see so many of these dies working with the folder. That's
So it's
awesome.
kind of a theme, like outdoors, outside, city living, urban, barbecuing kind of thing
That's so
that's
cool.
going on. And then the next thing that we have in the box, or the crate, I should say, is the solar flare, and this is the 2D folder.
Oh,
And it just creates this really fun rays with these
I
kind of
love
like
that.
they're not stars. What would you call
Like
those?
spurtles, bursts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And again, this works with everything in the box. This is a great evergreen. You can use this for all sorts of things. And here is the unstoppable lady in your life, and
Yeah.
here she is with the crown.
And the clouds,
Yep.
and I knew we were gonna see it sooner
Yeah.
or later.
And there is a
Oh,
little stamp that works on the back there.
cute.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a great folder. And like you said, totally evergreen. Like, I can see using that with so many different things.
Next, we have the stamp and die. And
Ooh.
again, this supports the whole set. So I just wanted to show this with the barbecue elements
Oh, yeah.
without the shoe.
Without the shoe.
Yeah.
So cute. So you got all your sentiments,
Yep.
plus of course the matching die.
Yeah, we have some of
Take
it.
a look.
Yeah, for your backyard boss, it's your day to sizzle. You always step up. Just for
There's
you,
a ton
beautiful
on
friend. Yeah. Hi, it's been a minute. There's a lot.
Of course, the matching dies. That one's called Good Times. Cool. So 22 different stamps. So you're gonna get so many different great varieties there. And then all the matching dice. Cool.
And then the next thing that we have in the crate is the stencil. It's 5 layers and it's called burst mode. And I'm going to show you 2 different versions of this. So all the different layers create different looks. So again, kind of have that superhero thing going on, but also like this background that's great for this cap with just a burst of color for your backgrounds.
And the dots for a different
Yeah.
layer, or
Yeah.
combining everything together. Oh yeah, we don't have the printout on this one. This is still our prototype, but yeah. So 5 layers you can do with or without the dots. Just the dots. Like that's like 3 different ways right there just to use it. That's cool. Burst mode. I love it.
And then
This is cool too. They use a little
know.
paste.
It's
I love
fun.
that. Sprinkle. All right.
And
What have we
next
got here?
in our magic crate is the better press of the month, or I'm sorry, press and foil.
Press and foil, yeah.
It's called Greetings Maker. And what this is, it's a set of bold words
Ooh.
with a die that you can create these strips. And there's something for everybody in your family, friends, group,
Look at all the
everybody.
varieties. I love it. Let me
Yeah.
flip this over just so we can see all the different plates as we look at the project. So here's all your options, and I can totally see where you're mixing and matching all the things.
Yeah. And the foil this month is Aura. Oh, no, I'm sorry. It's Prism.
Ooh, pretty,
Foil.
pretty.
Yeah. So here you have happy birthday to the best dad ever. Happy birthday to the best friend ever. Happy Mother's Day. There's thank you, Father's Day. So there's a lot of different words that you can mix and match in here. And for our UK friends, we even added mum.
Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, cute. And then there's that foil coming to life right there, the prism foil. Love
Yeah,
that.
but it's fun pressed in the black. Look how bold
Ooh,
that
yeah.
is, and those colors just really pop.
And totally more masculine, more feminine. Just depends on what you add, what colors you use.
Yeah. And you don't have
Oh,
to
that's
use you don't have
fantastic.
to use the strips. You can just stack the words and press them.
Right.
So there's a lot of different ways that you can use that set.
So here's what Josie was talking about. The die is actually a completely separate piece, the strip die. Cool. I love that. That's going to be a keeper.
Then if you are a member of the crate, you do get an extra die or better press plate. And this month we
Kind of switches up every month.
changes. This month we did this better press, and this one is called Edge Effects. And it's again, it's keeping in that superhero kind of theme.
Almost
with
comic
the
book
dots.
a
Yeah.
little bit. Cool.
Yeah. But look how great it works with the large die. And then here it is with the your Superwoman here.
Cute.
It's kind of this grungy background.
Yeah.
Again, evergreen, you can use it with anything.
Let's just flip it over. So you can see we've got the entire background plus 1, 2, 3, 4 sentiments. Love that.
And I don't remember what the sentiments are, but
Oh, right here.
Yep.
Sky's the limit. Love that one. Have a super birthday. So a lot of fun. Again,
they
perfect for mixing and match with everything because this is the crate exclusive. This is your extra fun item you get. I mean, it's not even a bonus item. It's an exclusive item that comes just with the All Clubs crate. And again, sometimes it's a die. Sometimes it'll be a press and foil. We're going to give you some great value for that for sure.
And then the next item that's only available in the crate is the bonus item. And we thought this was really fun. This is called
Oh, yeah, I love
Number One Fan. Again, come on. How fun is this? And again, change the colors to your favorite sport,
your team,
high school, college, anything, any sports team. And
this is just a little smidge of the stencil behind there, of course, but oh, that is a great one. That's a little powerhouse right there.
And again, here's the stencil just with one layer.
Yeah. Cute.
And then the other item that's exclusive to the crate is the cardstock.
Oh, the cardstock deck. Let's take a peek.
Yeah, and you get 10 sheets.
Oh, yeah.
And
Here we
it's
go.
Legends Creative Spark Pack.
Love it. see some of those colors. They totally look like they're gonna give you the vibe of this whole month. I love it.
Yeah.
We've got some blues, reds,
Oh,
gray.
put them in better order, but
That's
you
okay.
guys get it.
You've seen a lot of these colors show up in the projects we just shared, so I love that.
Yeah. So I always wait till after we're done with all the projects to pick the cardstock pack.
Love it.
And again, this gives you guys a taste of our paper,
Yep.
how to use it, and then, you can collect the paper from the different crates every month and get a good stash going of paper because we go through paper like crazy.
Exactly. So
So
I'll just bring out the 3 exclusive items. So again, just to remind you, these 3 items only come if you subscribe to the All Clubs crate. I know a lot of you have jumped on there. We're loving it. We're loving seeing all the projects you're making. But otherwise, the other dies that we just showed, including small die, large die, the regular press and foil, all these guys, you can subscribe to individually. You can pick 1 or 2, or like I said, the all clubs crate. So I think we have lots of variety, lots of options for this month. I absolutely love March.
I
You
know,
did a
lots
great
of
job,
fun.
Josie.
Thank you. There's something for everybody in your life in this month.
Absolutely. That's why we call it Everyday Legends.
Yep.
Yes. Okay. So thank you so much for joining us again
Yeah.
for this club reveal. We love to do these every single month. Definitely look forward to next month. It's like one of our favorite days of the
No,
month
next
for
month
sure.
is so fun, you guys. I know I shouldn't tease, but I am. Next month is gonna be great. So I can't wait.
Well, we love our clubs every single month, and we hope that you love them too. So happy crafting, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.